Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Mixy Videos by Sam. Today we are going to share 100 plus wooden decoration ideas. So are you tired generic furniture and decor that lacks personality and charm? Look no further. In this video we take you on a journey into the world of wooden die furniture and decorative items for your home. Discover the beauty and versatility of wood as we showcase a wide range of stunning projects that you can create with your own hands. From elegant wooden shelves to intricately carved candle holders, this video is packed with inspiration by step-by-step instruction to help you unleash your creativity. Join us as we demonstrate the process of transforming a raw pieces of wood into functional and visually appealing furniture. Learn the art of measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing as you witness the magic of turning a simple slab of wood into breathtaking coffee table that will become the centerpiece of your living room. But it doesn't stop at furniture alone. We also share ingenious ideas for wooden decorative items that will add warmth and character to any space. From personalized picture frames to unique wall art, you will discover how to infuse your own style and personality into every piece. Not only will you save money by creating your own wooden die furniture and decor, but you will also experience the joy and satisfaction of crafting something truly unique. So whether you are a seasoned dryer or just starting out, this video is a must watch for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their home. Get ready to embark on a creative adventure and unlock the endless possibilities of wooden die furniture and decorative items. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting projects. Get ready to transform your home into a heaven of style and individuality. Happy crafting! Please keep watching and do subscribe and like. Thank you for watching our channel. Goodbye and see you soon.